Hey guys, Blake here from Bespoke Treatments in New York City. We're going to move on to calf complex foam rolling piece. The calf complex actually attaches above the knee joint. It goes all the way down to the Achilles, which then attaches to the calcaneus, that heel bone there. So we're going to start from the very top, just below, just under where the knee is, in the back of the knee. You got the medial head of the gastroc, the lateral head of the gastroc. So we're going to go back and forth, just jump into it right now. So right behind the back of the knee is where we're going to start, into the calf muscle. Take your toes from a 3 o'clock position to a 9 o'clock position, back and forth, back and forth. If you need more pressure, you can cross one leg over, just like that. If you need even more pressure, you can lift the butt off the ground, and you'll feel that extra pressure go into the calf musculature. Scanning for any tender spots. If you find a tender spot, just hold that there. Take the joint through its range of motion. So up, down, up, down. You'll feel that muscle shorten and lengthen as you're doing it. And you'll notice I'm not riding it like a roller coaster. We're going segmentally left and right, left and right. We're going to work our way down the calf. So I started at the back of the knee. Now I'm going to work into the bulk of the belly, muscle belly right there. So right, left, right. Definitely some tender spots there for me. I'm going to hold, find that tender spot, pull up, pull down. Let's do 3 more of those. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now a little bit lower. I'm kind of right where the Achilles meets the muscle. Right side, left side, right side, left side. Rinse and repeat for the other leg. If you are getting into a workout, trying to activate things, trying to ramp up that nervous system, you want to do this for no more than like 25 seconds per body part. If you're at the end of the workout and trying to promote more recovery, shoot for 45 seconds. You can even go a little bit longer if the workout's finished. Do both sides, and that's it.